Welcome to online classes. I am here in the second recording. Before starting explanation, I will refer few sentences as a reference and continuation. They started walking to the palace, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hands. Only Pingla stood sadly, watching them go by. Pingla's father had watched his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. Why do not you go to the king with the empty pot? He suggested. At least he will know you tried your best. So Pingla wore his best clothes and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot in his hand and ignoring the laughter around him. Soon the king arrived and began his inspection. The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy, but the king did not look happy. Now we start from the book. Next explanation in this recording. At the end of the line stood Pingla, and when the king reached him, he stopped in surprise. Explanation 1. Pingla was the last person in the queue. He was holding an empty pot with him. When the king reached there, the king halted in shock. Explanation 2. Pingla was the last person in the line. He was waiting there holding an empty pot. When the king moved there, the king stopped in amaze. Explanation 3. Pingla was standing in the line as a last participant. He was holding a pot without any plant in it. The king came there and he noticed the child and stunned to see Pingla. Now from book. Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything? Explanation 1. The king watched Pingla and inquired why he had come with an empty pot, and also added that if he could not grow anything. The king saw Pingla and wanted to know why he had come with an empty pot, and also added that if he could not grow any plant in his pot. Explanation number 3. The king inquired that what was the reason that he came with an empty pot and there he did not grow anything. Next, Pingla looked down and said, "Forgive me, Your Highness. I tried my best. I gave best soil and manure, but the plant would not grow." Explanation 1. Pingla was unable to look at the king, so he looked down and told the king to forgive him and honored the king. He replied again that he tried his best. He used best soil and manure to grow the plant, but the plant did not grow. Explanation 2. There was no eye-to-eye contact between Pingla and the king. Pingla looked down and prayed the king to forgive him, and he honored the king as Highness. Then he replied that he used best soil and best manure to grow the plant from the seed, but he did not grow plant. Explanation 3. Pingla did not stare at the king. He looked down holding his empty pot. He prayed to king that forgave him and also honored the king as per the culture. Then he answered that after getting the seed, he prepared the best soil with the suitable manure to grow the plant, but he did not grow the plant at all. Now from book. Now the king's face broke into a smile. He enveloped Pingla in his arms and announced, "Here is the crown prince." Explanation 1. Then the king smiled broadly. He enfolded Pingla in his arms and declared that there was the prince whom to be crowned as soon as possible. Explanation 2. Then the king smiled loudly. He encased Pingla in his arms and announced that there was the prince. He would celebrate Pingla as prince. Explanation 3. Then the king was pleased very much and smiled broadly. He surrounded Pingla in his arms and proclaimed that there was the prince, so he would celebrate the function for his prince of his kingdom. That is the end of the second lecture.